My name is Andrew and I'm originally from London and I'm 21 years old now, and my ambition has always been to be an aircraft engineer. At the moment I'm studying at obviously Kingston University, linked to Cardiff and Vale College, which is a really good university. Like in London you wouldn't find as much aircraft maintenance facilities. Now I'm just looking forward to doing as best as I can until I get to my destination. I chose to study at Cardiff and Vale College because they got great hands-on aircraft maintenance facility and giving you the opportunity to know how it's like to be as a real aircraft engineer, and like the feeling of having the responsibility, because like not much university give you that. Some universities just give you a certificate, but you don't have the experience. You don't get any experience at all. So studying here really gives you the experience, and to have that feeling which you can put on your CV and can help to open doors after you finish the degree. My biggest highlights has been like really doing the practical, like doing like aircraft maintenance, battery replacement, LIU replacement, and doing like a little learning how to wire lock, and obviously like doing the theory and putting it into practical. That's what I really enjoyed, which really makes you feel good as a person, and like makes you feel like you're closer to the dream as being an aircraft engineer. Once I leave Cardiff and Vale College, my plans are to get a job as an aircraft mechanic, and then after get my experience while work on finishing off my B1 license modules, because at the moment I want to focus on my degree exams, get them out the way, and then focus on experience and license exams.